Hold on.
Okay, guys, back at it again with part 3. As you can see, the board is back into the chassis, and I have a little story to share with you guys, a little bit of knowledge. Okay, so after I replaced the TL494, which I said I was going to replace because the Mosfet was eating up, it was getting hot too quick. I replace it, and the things amplifier still keep doing the same thing. So eventually this is good. This IC is good. So I keep going around, checking the caps, rocking them, shaking, and lo and behold, I reach here, and this one was shaking. The one that was here, as you can see, this one is a black one. I replace it. All the rest are, well glued to the board, well soldered to the board. So I was like, why is this one shaking? And let me show you guys what happened here now. As you can see, the leg, one is longer than one. This one burnt off. So it was going this way, side to side, and I rocked it was like that. I was like, what? So I started soldered, and then when I started this leg first, it just drop right out the circuit board. This is a 50 volts 2020 microphone. I replace it with one the same of the same value, but it's just the different color, same height and everything. So I pour it up, everything worked, but I didn't test if I get any audio. I only pour it up to see, because I didn't have the circuit board inside of it, because this board is plugged on to the circuit board. So let's see now if there's any audio. So please, guys, remember, if you have any amplifier that you replace any amplifier at all, please check the cap. Just, if you have a problem like that, just rock the cap, shake them, because you never know. I was so confused. I was like, what the heck? So I was like, I wasn't thinking it would be a capacitor. I think it would be one of these transistors right here, but it wasn't any of them. So, and then I thought it was the IC, the TL494, and it wasn't it. Then, only to find out it's this cap here. Wow, can you imagine? Whew. I don't know, maybe they did have this amplifier and a speaker box or some vibration, cause that to happen, but maybe not, you never know. But I'm gonna see if I can give it a test and see if everything's okay. Oh wow, I have a problem with that jack earlier. Where did I put it? Alright, it's right here, so I'm gonna use only one. Oh yeah, it's, yep. Alright guys, let's see if all goes well here. Hold on, let me take this and put it right here. I don't know what's going to happen here now, but let's see. Input, out. Oh wow, it's mono. I thought it would be input. It's not like that. It's only have two input, two channels. Yeah, I guess, yeah, that makes sense. But I thought this was for the other side. I don't know why I think that, but let's see here. Let's see if I get some music playing. Oh, first let's switch this thing on. You guys can see the green pole light right here, and the switches up here. Copyright. I can't do that. I was gonna play a song. Can you imagine? let's see. Alright guys, Sonic is playing. Wow. Try the other side. Mona should be. No, it didn't play. Guys, it's up and running. As you can hear. Okay guys, so that would be it for this one. All right, okay, so the kicker amplifier is repaired, playing good and everything, up and running. Let me see, you guys see the lights right here, the green light. Yeah, you guys can see, like when you do this, yeah, that's the green LED. I don't know, perfect. Yep. All right, so that's it, all is well. So let me show you a little of all this hookup. This red stuff here is a rubber which you put, I think you slide this into it, yeah. Oh yeah, ow. But you have to do it from like here. Wow, damn, look at that. Okay. Really. Well, guys, so that would be it for this repair. Thank you guys for watching. CNC Electronics sales and repairs on sale. Thank you guys for everything you've been doing for me. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and I see you guys on the next repair. So stay tuned to my channel. I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. Thank you very much.
Hold on.